Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to create your own Telegram account. Telegram is a popular messaging app with great features, and setting up an account is super easy. So, let's get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Play Store if you're using an Android device, or App Store if you're on iOS. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once the Play Store is open, go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top. This is where we'll type in the name of the app. Now, type Telegram into the search bar and hit enter. Once the search results pop up, you'll see the official Telegram app right at the top. It's the one with the blue paper plane logo, so make sure you choose the correct one. Now, go ahead and click on the Install button to begin downloading Telegram to your device. This might take a couple of minutes depending on your internet connection, so just be patient. After the installation is complete, you'll see the Open button. Go ahead and tap that to launch the app. Now that Telegram is open, you'll be greeted with the main homepage. You'll see a button that says Start Messaging. Go ahead and tap that to begin setting up your account. The first thing Telegram will ask you to do is select your country. By default, it may automatically detect your country, but if you need to change it, just tap on the country selector. I'm going to select Pakistan for this example. If you don't see your country listed, tap on the search bar at the top and type in your country name. Once you've found it, select it. Next, you'll need to enter your phone number. Make sure it's a number that you can receive text messages on because Telegram will send you a verification code. After entering your phone number, tap the arrow button at the bottom right corner of the screen to proceed. Now, Telegram will ask for permission to send a verification code to your phone. Just click Yes to confirm. In a few moments, you should receive a text message with a code. If you don't get it right away, check your Gmail inbox or your SMS inbox, depending on how the code is being sent. Once you have the verification code, go ahead and type it into the app. This step confirms your phone number and links it to your Telegram account. Next up, you'll need to enter your Gmail address. Make sure to use an active Gmail account so you can easily recover your account if needed. After typing in your Gmail, click on the arrow button to proceed. Now it's time to personalize your Telegram account by adding your profile picture and name. To do this, Telegram will ask if you want to upload a photo from your camera or gallery. After uploading your profile picture, type in your first name and last name. This will be the name that people see when they message you on Telegram. Once you've entered your name, tap the arrow button at the bottom right corner again. And there you have it, your Telegram account is now set up. You'll be taken to the main Telegram interface, where you'll see a welcome message. From here, you can start messaging, create groups, join channels, or explore all the other amazing features Telegram offers. If you ever need to update your account details, like your profile picture or phone number, you can always do that by going into the settings. And that's it. You've successfully created your Telegram account. I hope this tutorial was helpful and made the process easy for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.
Bye.